Hi everyone, today again is cabochon cutting day. My name is Jeff and today I have a piece of just dichroic glass that I'm going to cut into an oval shape. Welcome to Rocket Rose Art. Today the piece I'm cutting is just a piece of dichroic fused glass. I shouldn't say just because it's still quite nice. But it's a piece that's come out of the kiln and I would like to see how it turns out when cut into a proper cab. So that's what we're going to be doing. Don't expect any surprises. It's a fairly straightforward process today. If you haven't been here before and you'd like to see more of this once you've seen this one, please subscribe, turn on your notifications, and let's get into cutting this cabochon. Before we get into the cutting process, I'll just remind you that I am cutting on diamond wheels. I'm primarily using a 360 grit wheel. It is water fed to keep the dust down, and the cabochon will be fire polished in a kiln at the end. I don't polish with cerium, so the cutting process is a little bit simpler for me. This is just a dichroic cabochon that I made, but I want to improve the shape. You can see it's just all a bit out. It's a bit of clear up here. So I want to try and improve the shape into a nice oval. But it's got a really nice pinfire blue-green pattern. Now because this has got some clear up in the top and the bottom, I want to get rid of that. So that's the first thing I'm going to do, and I'll rough up the back for the dopstick later. Just get rid of that clear from the top. Now we'll work on our oval shape. Of course, in the process of doing this, we want to get rid of that rounded edge. We are going to make it more like a normal cabochon with the thinner edge. Just take some of that waste off the top. Less work to do once we've got the dopstick on. I'll flatten the top a bit. put that on a dopstick, and then I'll be back. Okay, this one should be quite easy. Just got to square it up. It's a bit rough at the moment. Check our shape. Right, let's put an angle on that now. Need to take those in a bit further. I think that'll fire polish up well on the kiln, so we'll leave it at that. For a piece of dichroic glass, I think that looks really nice. It has some purple splashes in it and a lot of pinfire, so it's pleasantly surprising. Now, if you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments section below. And if you want to watch a couple of more videos right now, you'll find the suggested ones up top and down the bottom. Please don't forget to subscribe. And until the next video, I'll say bye for now.